What is intelligence composed of? The intelligence is intangible. It is composed of problem-solving, learning, linguistic intelligence, reasoning, and perception. Learning is the activity of gaining knowledge or skill by studying, practicing, being taught, or experiencing something. Learning enhances the awareness of the subjects of the study. Linguistic intelligence is one's ability to use, comprehend, speak, and write the verbal and written language. It is important in interpersonal communication. Reasoning is the set of processes that enables us to provide basis for judgment, making decisions, and prediction. Perception is the process of acquiring, interpreting, selecting, and organizing sensory information. Problem solving is the process in which one perceives and tries to arrive at a desired solution from a present situation.